Creating a full AI-powered video is now easier than ever, and with CapCut's AI Video Maker, you can even build your avatar from a real video instead of a single image. Here's how you do it from start to finish. First, generate your script using ChatGPT. Keep it clear, simple, and focused on one message so the AI can build strong scenes around it. Once you have your script, open CapCut and select AI Video Maker, then click New Project at the top. Paste your full script into the text box on the right. This is where CapCut will automatically generate your scenes, camera angles, and pacing. After that, go to the Scenes panel on the left and click Customize. Here you upload the short video of yourself that fits the criteria. Good lighting, clean background, facing the camera, and speaking naturally. This lets CapCut build a realistic, animated avatar based on your actual movement and appearance. When your avatar preview is created, click on your avatar in the scene and go to the Voice section above the My Avatars tab. Choose Create New and follow the instructions to clone your voice. You can also skip the built-in voice and use Artlist for a more realistic voiceover later. After your voice is ready, select it and press Apply to all scenes, so every part of the video uses the same voice. Next, go back to the Scenes panel and click on Media at the top. Choose the option called Match Stock Media. CapCut will now automatically fill each scene with background clips that fit your script. This saves you a lot of time, but it's important to review everything manually to make sure the visuals match the tone you want. After the autofill is done, go through your entire timeline from start to finish. Replace any clip you don't like, add new media, or adjust shots that feel repetitive. You can use your own footage or CapCut's huge stock library to make everything look more premium and professional. When your scenes look the way you want, it's time to add captions. Go to the Elements section on the left, search for Caption, and drag it into your timeline. Captions help keep viewers engaged even if they watch with the sound off. Style them however you want. Simple text usually works best. Make sure the captions follow the pacing of your voice and the flow of your message. Then add music. Click on Music in the left panel and choose a calm, subtle background track. Keep the volume low so your voice stays clear and easy to understand. You want the music to add atmosphere, not overpower the message. If you want an even better voice, remember that you can use Artlist's voiceover generator for higher quality AI narration. Just mute the CapCut voice and import your Artlist audio at the end. When everything is synced, paced, and polished, your video is ready. Before exporting, take one final look through your entire project. Play the video from start to finish and make sure every scene feels smooth, consistent, and visually connected to your message. Check that your avatar's timing matches the script, verify that all captions are aligned correctly, and make sure none of the stock clips feel out of place. Small adjustments here can easily take your video from good to high-end. If you added your own voiceover from Artlist, verify that the audio is clean, balanced, and synced. A strong voiceover can completely transform the final result, so don't rush this part. When everything looks right, click Export and choose the resolution and format based on where you plan to upload. Vertical 9:16 is best for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Always export in the highest quality your device supports for the sharpest result. And that's it. With this workflow, you can create fast, professional AI-powered videos that look clean, modern, and ready for any platform. Using CapCut's AI Video Maker saves you hours of manual editing and lets you focus on your message instead of the technical details. Combine this with high-quality voiceovers from Artlist, and you have everything you need to produce premium content at scale. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
She's a model. I got money in my pocket, money coming by the trailer. everything you wanted. Then you started acting childish, I get money in abundance. Hey, these bitches need me like, feed me, they greedy. Don't care about me, just my chains and my VV. I got a